Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the new model 2 product design, and today we are going to discuss about the product engineering design, organization and decomposition in product design. First we will discuss what is product design. Product design is a process of creating a new product to be served by a business or to its customers. It essentially the efficient and effective generation and development of ideas through process that leads to a new product. Why product design is required? Mainly for profit, that means profit maximization in long run, that means for a long span the company has to run with a high profit. Upgrade desired product quality, that means updation of your product. Reduce the develop time and cost to be minimum. If you are controlling the time and cost, surely the product can able to withstand for a long time, and the company also can run for a long time. And ensure the producibility or manufacturability. Whatever the design engineers or what we are designing, it should be producibility, and it should be producibility at low cost. Then only we can able to get more profit. The various factors affecting your product design or your various factors required for your product design is customer requirement, production facility, raw material to be used, cost to price ratio, quality policy, plant and machineries, effect on existing products, reputation of the company. So these factors are mainly required for your new product design, or if you want to implement a new product, these are the things required. If any one of the factors is affecting, you can't be able to make a good product. Now we are going to discuss about the engineering design. Engineering design is nothing but identifying the design need. That means what are the basic requirement or specification of the new idea what you are going to do, that we have to make. Next, conduct research, that means basic research, what are the way we can able to implement the product, what are the way we can able to fabricate, or what are the way we can able to design. So the basic research we have to conduct. And brainstorm and plan, that means your team has to discuss which one we can able to opt, or how we can able to make it out. So that we have to see. From the brainstorming session we have to find a selection of solution and build a prototype. So based on the various ideas or various research works, we have to develop a prototype. From that prototype we have to test and evaluate, that means vigorously we have to test our product. Then new product design we have to make it, and then we have to send it to the customers. Now we are going to discuss about the organizing in product design. So the ideas are requirement, that means the new idea or new concept what we are going to develop, so that specification we have to keep it. Based on that we have to develop the concept generation. That means a lot of concepts will come from lot of peoples or lot of research work. So from the number of concepts we are to screening the best concept. That after the screening the effective concepts should be take it out, and then we have to study the feasibility. That means the various option of feasibility we have to check it, that what are the various possibilities are there. So those things we have to check it out. After that we have to make a product layer with the subsystem and functional components. That means basic preliminary design work we have to make it out. After that then we have to make a detailed design, that means component level design we have to, that means after the macro design we have to do the micro designs. Then we have to do the design evaluation and improvement, that means what are the factors is required, or what are the additional factors we can able to make it. So everything we have to consider. From that we have to develop the number of concept, and we have to develop our prototype. Then final design we have to make it out. In the prototype we have to do the vigorous testing. We are going to discuss about what is decomposition in products design. Decomposition is nothing but, if you take your bicycle, we can able to decompose into various products like frame, seat, wheels, brake, like that. These combinations only bicycle. Again the wheels you can able to decompose into rims, spokes and tires. Now we are going to discuss about the decomposition and integration in product design. If you take the complex design, that is nothing but you take the cycle itself, lot of parts we are decomposing, and then we are integrated into a new bicycle. So that is nothing but your integration. That means various parts we made it in different parts of the world or different places we are making, and then we are assembling on a particular design. So that is called decomposition and integration in product design. For understanding the product design, you can see the iPhone model from 2007 to 2021, how the company is developed and how they made it. See the varieties of model, they did modifications in camera, lighting, charging facility, operating system facilities, front end camera, rear end camera, audio system they brought it. So lot of innovative ideas they made it through are used by the product designs. Now I am going to show a small video about the iPhone, how it is evolved from 2007 to current model.